In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a link within a Google Docs document. This is a handy skill to have, especially when you want to direct readers to specific sections within your document without them having to scroll endlessly. Let's start by opening your Google Doc. Once you're in, the first thing you need to do is find the text that you want to use as the link. This could be a heading, a subheading, or any part of the text you'd like to emphasize. Highlight the selected text by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. Now, while the text is still highlighted, take a trip up to your toolbar at the top of the Google Docs window and look for the chain link icon. This icon represents the Insert Link function, and it's what we'll be using to create our link. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. When you click the link icon, a box will pop up. In the box, you'll see an option to search for websites or paste a URL. However, for our purposes, we want to create a bookmark within the document. So instead of pasting a URL, click on the Headings and Bookmarks tab that's situated just above the text field. In this tab, you can see all your headings and bookmarks within the document. If your document contains headings that you formatted using the Styles toolbar, those should automatically appear here. All you need to do is select the heading you want to link to, which should correspond to the section you want your readers to jump to. After you've selected the heading, click Apply. You'll notice that the text you highlighted now appears blue and underlined, indicating that it's a hyperlink. Now, when someone clicks on this linked text, they'll be instantly transported to the section of the document you've specified. Here's a quick tip. If you plan to navigate users to non-heading sections frequently, consider adding bookmarks. You can do this by clicking on Insert in the menu bar and then choosing Bookmark. Give your bookmark a relevant name, and it will then appear in your link options, as well as allow you to navigate through other bookmarked sections. To ensure everything works perfectly, you might want to test the link. Simply click on the linked text and see if it takes you to the right section. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully mastered the art of linking within Google Docs. Remember, this feature is not just about navigation. It's about enhancing your document's readability and accessibility. By implementing links effectively, you can help guide your readers on a seamless journey through your content. Thank you for joining, and happy linking.